what do we do next? Well, let's go ahead and apply the channel mixer color to this image. And we're going to create an image adjustment for that. So let's just come down here at the bottom of the layers palette and click on this button right here, which allows us to create an adjustment layer. And the menu will pop up, and just select channel mixer. Okay. And when this channel mixer comes up, I want you to load a channel setting into this mixer. You can see if I start to adjust this, it will change the look of the image here based on how much green and your balances of the channel colors here. But I've already created a custom setting for this tutorial, and that way you can just load my setting so you wouldn't have to go through here and fiddle with this. In Photoshop CS3, the load menu is right here. Okay. Now, in earlier versions of Photoshop, you might find the load button on the side right here. So whatever you have to do, click around and look for the load preset option, or just the load button, and go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to need to do is go into the project files folder on this DVD and locate the Dream Skin folder, and you'll find the channel mixer file in there. As soon as you get into that folder, you should see the file, and it might look like this, channelmix.cha. And go ahead and highlight it and click on load to load that channel setting. And there you go. Look at that. Now, if you think the color's kind of hideous, then you can come through here and adjust the reds, or do whatever you want with that. And I think I just moved that, so I will probably have to reload that preset once more there. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Okay, so now that we've applied this color over the entire image, I want to go ahead and mask the eyes because I don't want this color over the eyes. So what I'll do is click on the layer mask of the channel mixer layer and just zoom into one of the eyes, and then select the brush tool on the toolbar. With the foreground set to black, I'll come in here with a brush and just paint on the pupil here, just like that, to make that come through. You can do the whole eye if you want to, but I found that just doing this part of the eye, I thought it looked a lot better, so I'm going to go ahead and do this side. And this adds a little bit more color into it, makes her a little bit more beautiful with the beautiful blue eyes and all that good stuff. I think actually these are more like a green kind of bluish. We can enhance the blue in her eyes later on. So that's looking pretty hot. We've applied the color over, we've masked the eyes, we've got that texture, looks like it's just right on her skin there. And let's move on now to the henna.